The Engineers Board of Kenya has initiated talks with commercial banks to only fund projects undertaken by licensed engineers. The board's chair, Erastus Mongera, says this will help banks minimize losses and instill professionalism in the construction industry.
Banks and other financial institutions may soon start requiring property developers to present details of the engineers engaged in their projects in efforts aimed at ensuring that funding is only directed to constructions involving licensed engineers. The Engineers Board of Kenya says it's developing a checklist that will guide financial institutions on projects to approve for funding.
In addition to looking at the land security and all that, let them also look at what that particular individual wants to develop, whether it is designed by professional engineers and is certified and is stamped and is signed off by a professional engineer.
The regulator says this will help eliminate quirks in the real estate sector that the board says are responsible for the recent increase of collapsing buildings.
The engineering document, which will contain the design drawings, it will contain the quantities, it will contain the description of works, should be done by a professional engineer.
Government says it will start enforcing the 40% local content for mega project in the country.
Encouraging joint ventures like the local farms with the foreign farms where the projects are too big, both contractors and also the engineers. So we are very alive to that and we are working on it.
Engineers from Pakistan and Malaysia are expected in the country in June this year to access Kenya's higher learning institutions' capacity to offer engineering courses and accreditation process, as Kenya seeks to be the second country to join Washington Accord after South Africa.
The mentors will come and inspect and make sure that our training institutions, that is universities, are offering engineering courses that have been accredited by the board, and that the syllabus being taught are competent-based curricula.
The Engineers Board of Kenya says the Washington Accord will assist local engineers secure global accreditation to take on mega projects that are currently mainly done by foreign firms. Kenya is optimistic of completing the processes of joining the Washington Accord by next year. Benson Rioba reporting for Lunchtime.